Hey, my friend and fellow trader, it's Will here over at FXAUUSD.com, and welcome to the video. This week we're going to be looking at a possible selling opportunity on the Euro Japanese yen. And in this video I'm going to show you the reason why I'm looking to sell this week. And as always, this is for educational purposes only. I'm just showing you what I'm doing. As always, trade at your own risk. Okay, so what we're looking at first, as always, I go from a top-down perspective. I look at the higher time frames first and work my way down to the lower time frames. When trading weekly signals, weekly swing trades, I go as low as the 4-hour charts, looking for possible slowing of momentum and divergence signals if we are in trading zones. Okay, so first things first, we're going to look at the monthly chart on the Euro Japanese yen, and as you can see, we've been rallying up since basically last this time last year. We've had a huge rally up from the lows around 114, and we're now up near 134. Okay, so we're looking at first, we're looking for possible selling opportunities, possible sell zones, and as you can see, we've got this monthly area where prices looks like it's getting magnetized to on the higher time frame, the monthly chart towards 135. What I'm going to do now is zoom into the weekly charts and see if there's any zones before the 135 area. And as you can see, we are approaching the area here. Okay, 135. It's looking like it's getting drawn towards that area. We also have this area just broke out of on the weekly time frames. Okay, closed above that last week, which is, to me, tells me that this is now taken out and the market is moving up towards this 135 area. Okay, so what I'm going to look for now is possible slowing of momentum on the lower time frames coming up to this 135 area. Okay, I'm going to do that by adding the MACD, not the pivots, the MACD XAUUSD. Okay, nothing happened so far on the daily chart. If we look at the 4-hour chart, similar story. So this is telling me what the market is likely to do is continue up towards this 135 area. So this week I'll be looking, I'm just going to try and front run this by maybe 40 or 50 pips, as we are overextended in this weekly chart here. I expect maybe a pop-up early next week and then a drop down. So where I'm looking to sell this week is around 134. Okay, so I'm looking to sell if this get this working. Okay, my drawn tool is not working today for some reason. Okay, so insert some text. I'm looking to sell Euro JPY at 134. We'll say 134.4. Front run it a little bit, or wait for a MACD divergence signal to happen. Okay, so sell 134.4. Okay, that's the entry. If we look at just have a look at the 1-hour charts. See, on Friday we are starting to get the 1-hour divergence signal starting to appear. Okay, this could pop up a little bit on Monday, like I said, 134.4, and then sell off. So that will be my entry, or a divergence signal on the 4-hour or daily chart. Okay, so we'll just enter that again. So Euro sell, Euro JPY at 134.4. We'll do our stop loss. We'll give it 130 pips. We'll get a bit of a play in this. So stop loss. So stop loss at 135.7. Okay, and the take profit. Okay, we're going to look for an area that the market paused and rallied from, around this area here, around the 130 area, I think. Yeah, so you can see this was the last high, swing low, then this was the kind of area that took off and heading up towards this area here. And if we look at the daily charts, we have a nice area in there, and which was really the origin of this leg up here on the daily, and that's around 130. So our take profit is going to be 130. Okay, move that up. And we're going to add that there. So take profit at 130. Okay, nice round number. Okay, what we do, we open this, we enter this as a pending order when the market's open on a Sunday evening or Monday morning, depending where you are in the world. You can't wait for the MACD divergence signal to happen. You can, if you're watching this on YouTube, you can actually download this indicator below. If you need the indicator, just send me an email at will@fxas.com. Wait for a divergence signal on the 4-hour or daily chart, and then enter the position then, or just simply enter the pending order as it is on the chart here. As always, trade at your own risk. If you have any questions, let me know at will@fxas.com. If you want to get access to the full list of 22 signals for the week ahead, just simply click the link below, get started today. And yeah, I shall see you on the next video. Have a great week. Well over to fxas.com.